Unexpectedly today, Ehong stock crashed a shocking 62%. This is due to reports that Ehong is facing investigation for possible securities laws violations by Block Leviton LLP. Furthermore, short seller Wolfpack Research accused Ehong of an elaborate stock promotion scheme in a scathing 33-page article. Is this investigation justified? Are short sellers right? Should you sell your shares? Or is this a perfect buying opportunity? We will be going over all of these details for you in today's video. Let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Mark with MC Stocks. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button for more videos like this one. And as always, remember to do your own due diligence when investing and seek a financial advisor for professional advice. So definitely not a great day to be an Ehong stockholder. Just after reaching all-time highs last week, the Chinese drone company now faces securities investigation, sending the stock plunging. Today's event definitely echoes back memories of Chinese coffee company Lunkin Coffee's scandal last year, where the chief operating officer fabricated the company's 2019 sales by about 2.2 billion yuan, or $310 million. Right now, Ehong is just in the investigation phase, not having been proven guilty, but the stock has already plunged 62%. This is not just due to the fact that they are being investigated for violating security laws, but because of the negative precedent set by Lunkin Coffee. And this is compounded further by the existing fear of Chinese stocks getting delisted from the New York Stock Exchange. But short seller Wolfpack Research is making it clear in their 33-page critical report that they believe Ehong is highly fraudulent. To say the least, it is not looking very good based on the allegations Wolfpack is making. Let's review some of their claims. They go into detail criticizing Ehong's frequent press releases, starting by saying that the certifications they have announced are completely over-exaggerated. They state that Ehong has only received permits for recreational test flights of its drones in specified areas, below a specified altitude, and at specified times. In no way are these permits endorsements of Ehong's passenger-grade claims, nor are they regulatory breakthroughs of any kind. Likewise, Ehong's accomplishments tell different stories between their English and Chinese publications. They say that in English PR, Ehong receives the world's first commercial pilot operation approval of passenger-grade AAVs for air logistic uses from China's CAAC. However, the title of the Chinese version of the same PR says nothing about commercial or passenger grade. Wolfpack goes on further, reporting paparazzi style, going into Ehong's warehouses to make assessments on the products and manufacturing. Wolfpack says that they were able to walk around Ehong's facility for about 20 minutes without seeing a single person working on a weekday afternoon. Plus, the facility lacked security or even a basic assembly line. Lastly, they claim that they've obtained Chinese court records, which shows that Ehong may already be in serious jeopardy due to legal issues in China. They also cite the opinion of several experts in the eVTOL field who all criticize Ehong on their accomplishments, leading Wolfpack to state that they believe its products is majorly flawed, inherently dangerous, and would likely attract very few, if any, actual buyers. All this and much more packed into Wolfpack's 33-page report. Because of the overwhelming tale Wolfpack has put out, investors are selling out heavily of their positions in Ehong. So, in their own best interest, they would not be shedding good light on a stock they are shorting. If the investigation by Block and Leviton proves Wolfpack's allegations, however, then this not only destroys Ehong's reputation, but also puts a stain on autonomous air vehicles as well. We put a link to Wolfpack's report in the description below for you to check out and assess, where they go into further detail on all of their findings. So just as the Motley Fool puts it, reports critical of a company, just like reports that are bullish, should not be taken at face value. This is exactly why at the start of every video, we tell you to do your own due diligence when investing. Invest only what you're willing to risk. With reports like this published, true or untrue, swings like this can jeopardize your positions. Either Ehong will end up like Lunkin Coffee and fail as a business, or they can surpass the short sellers like Tesla has done over the years. If you trust Ehong and disagree with the short sellers, they may have just opened up the perfect buying opportunity for you. With prices back down in the $50 range, prices are still at mid-January levels, currently still up over 400% on the 6-month chart. Some are already taking advantage of this opportunity in the after hours, as we can see an over 20% bump from the bottom. As of recording this video, we have yet to see an official Ehong article or tweet with any response to these allegations. So we will have to wait and see what Ehong's response to these allegations will be and the results of Block and Leviton's investigations. This will be our true confirmation of Ehong's business legitimacy and whether or not Wolfpack's short thesis stands ground. Stay tuned on our channel for any developments regarding these Ehong reports. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when we release our next video. Please like and share for more videos similar to this one, and comment below with any questions that you may have so that we could address them in future videos. Thanks.